guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another Sugarbox unboxing video for you all. So if you are interested in knowing what all we have in March Sugarbox, then please keep on watching. First of all, I know it's already April and now I'm unboxing my March Sugarbox. It's because I don't know what is up with Sugarbox. Like, they ship out my products very late. I don't know, it's just in my case, or they're generally shipping out their product this late. Like, I'm supposed to receive this box in March, but instead I received it on 5th of April, and I almost dropped the idea of making this video because I feel like it doesn't make any sense for my audience. If they want to purchase March Sugarbox, then they need to see this video in March itself, because it's over now. If you will order now, you will get April's Sugarbox, right, and not the March Sugarbox. But still, when I receive this product now, I feel like all the anger and all the frustration जो भी मेरे मन में भरा होता है, क्योंकि मार्च में और पर्टिकुलर मंथ में बॉक्स नहीं आता और नेक्स्ट मंथ आता है, वो सब चला जाता है जब मैं बॉक्स को देखती हूँ and when I unbox the Sugarbox, because the products are very cute. Like, I'm sure you're gonna like it too. So at least idea के लिए आप देख सकते हो वीडियो की, you can get an idea कि what kind of products they give in subscription plans. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive straight into this video now. So as usual, you will receive your products and all the products in this cardboard packaging which says Sugarbox over here. So when you open it, all of the products are kept inside very securely. So let's dive into this, and the first thing I see here is very cute. Oh my god, I cannot stress on its cuteness enough. It's this cute holographic purse or clutch, you can say, and it has this pom-pom on the side, and just have a look. This looks so cute. It has this star thingy over here, and it has enough space like any other clutch, and that's how the first purse looks like. Oh my god, this is so cool. Like, I cannot wait to use this outside as well. I especially like the fact that this has pom-pom, so it just adds up to its cuteness very well. Just have a look, like how classy you're gonna look when you will carry this out with you. So that's the first thing in this month's Sugarbox. Mind that this is March Sugarbox and not the April. So yeah, I don't think you can get these products anymore, but you will get such cute stuff only. So yeah, you can subscribe if you wish to. And if you don't know what subscription plan is, then please go ahead and watch my first Sugarbox unboxing video. I will link the playlist down below, so you can check out and get an idea. So the next thing I see here is again very cute. This hair clip which has bow in front, and then there is a clip at the back, and this is in golden satin fabric. And just have a look, man, this looks so cute. You can wear this if you apply bun, and you can, if you make buns, so you can apply this on the back of your hair, and it's gonna look so cute. Trust me, it's very cute. So this is the next product I have in March Sugarbox. Now the third thing I see here is this red cotton scarf, and I think it's very appropriate for this summer season, and I personally love scarves a lot. I don't have many, but I do enjoy using scarves whenever I go out. So it just you can even use this as your style statement. You can just put this on some of your outfit, and you can just amp up your game. But yeah, otherwise also in summers you do need scarves to protect you from the heat, and this is a very soft material, and I'm sure it's cotton, and the color is also very good. You can pair this with any color you want. So yeah, that's the next thing we have in this month Sugarbox. It's pretty long, it's very long, so that's not gonna be an issue at all. Now the next thing is again very cute. So Sugarbox is meant for sending you the cute gifts and cute products, so that's why I just thought of subscribing to this subscription plan, and I haven't disappointed by it till now. And let's see what we have in next month's Sugarbox as well. But yeah, this is the next bottle, like zipper mug and zipper bottle. You can tell this is how you can use this. It has this thing over here, and oh my god, this glitter or whatever's particle in it, it just it's very cute. I cannot explain this in words, but you can see it yourself, right? How cute is this? And it's a huge bottle. I'm sure it's 1 liter bottle. So again, in summers you need bottles around you, so you can get the reminder of drink much water. So yeah, that's the next thing, and a very cute thing in March Sugar Box. Now the next thing I see here is this light box. I don't have any batteries in it, that's why I cannot light it up right now, but I will try to put the video over here if I ever light it up and put the battery in it. So that's how the next product looks like. Oh my goodness, just have a look. It's very cute. I was not expecting anything like this in Sugar Box, and I'm so happy to receive this one. It's just gonna bring that mood in your room when you light this up at night, and it's just gonna feel very cozy and very warm inside your room. So yeah, that's the next thing we have in this month's Sugar Box. Now the second last thing, so sorry, it's not second last, we have so many products left, but this again is very good. So we have this golden neck piece in this month's Sugar Box. I am very happy to receive this one because you know I love jewelry, and this one just, I don't know man, it's very cute, and you must have seen such kind of golden neck piece all over internet. And yeah, this is how the neck piece looks like. It has this blade over here and this chain and those long chain as well, and I'm sure it's gonna look very good with any western outfit. So yeah, that's the next thing. And one more jewelry we have in this month's Sugar Box, and these are this humongous hoops. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that I don't own any hoops as of now. I only have one hoop which I recently got from everstylist.com, and then I got these. Have a look at the size. I mean, it's bigger than my palm. Can you see? I don't know how it's gonna look really cool. See, I'm very excited to try this on and see how that looks on me. I'm sure it's gonna look very classy though. Like, I really love the quality, is on the point. Okay, it's not rusted at all, and it's very good quality hoops. So that's the next product in this month's Sugar Box. Now the second last thing I have here is the sticky notes from, I don't know the brand, it just says the sticky marker, and again it's very cute, and let me show you how that looks. So if you write stuff and you are a stationery lover, then you're gonna fall in love with these colors. Like, these are for very cool pastel colors, and you can just use any one. Like, you can write anything you want and then stick it on your diary or notebook or anywhere you want. So these are the sticky notes I have received, and it has this unicorn cartoon print all over it, and it also has unicorn over here. So these are the next sticky notes we have received in this month's bag. And last but not the least, as usual, we have some treats from Sugar Box, and this time around we have the marshmallows. I'm so glad they haven't sent any chocolate thing, because I don't eat chocolate. So I'm gonna finish it off. I think I'm gonna start eating this right after I finish this video. So yeah, this was the last thing in this month's Sugar Box. So yeah, that was all for today's video. If you like watching whatever you've seen so far, then you can go ahead and subscribe to Sugar Month. I will put all the links in the description bar below. I think they cost around $14.99 for 1 month, and if you go for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, you do get it on discount as well. So yeah, I personally enjoy unboxing the Sugar Box because it feels like you're gifting something to yourself. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And Sugar Box, if you're watching my video, please try to send my order at least mid-month, okay? Not like महीना ख़त्म होने के बाद तो कोई मायने ही नहीं रखता. तो प्लीज़, अगर आप हो सके तो do send me my parcel at least around 15th of the month, and it will be a great for my audience as well. And guys, comment down below if you also want Sugarbox to send me my products earlier, so you can get the idea in advance. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.